Wednesday. There was some snow and ice, so it's a little bit dicey getting to school. OS2 Linux. Students followed up their installs. We talked about Access SSH. We wanted them to do that. Whether they got it done or not, I'm not sure. And we did a lot of work on the GUI. One thing we did do for sure is we added a user. And we made sure for Ubuntu it was a standard user. So what you just have to do is make sure you don't add an administrator. Right, so yeah, you can make sure it's administrator, not administrator, but a standard user. And then by doing this, the machines will be accessible from different people in the classroom. A little hard to track them all. We can track them through the machines individually, but we can't track them by per person. More on that later. We talked about IP addresses before we set up SSH, Secure Shell. Before we set that up in our boxes, I showed a demo. I've got a Ubuntu connected to the network in my Windows, and I was able to access it. Not everybody's, but most people's machines are on this same switch. So they're all on this same network. So if we were to look at that right in here, all the machines in here would have an address of 172.31.1 something. They're all on that same network actually. It's right here as the network, and they got the address through DHCP. Now there's a few machines, we'll make it another color here, that are connected to the DMZ. That's where this work server number 2 is located. Those machines are on a separate network, 172.21. So if you're on the work server, you cannot come this way and try to get in to access your computer internally. Now, eventually we're going to move all these computers out here. All right, we can move them and hook them up out here. Then you could access the work server remotely and then access your machine. Hopefully we can get that done on Monday. There's a lot of work to do, okay? A lot of work to do, curriculum, working through the curriculum, and we'll do some more work on the GUI on Monday. And that's it.